Are you looking for a super easy to make snack that is very tasty? These cinnamon hot buttered oat cereal snacks are so delicious. My wife just got done making this easy and tasty snack, and now she's going to walk you through it each step of the way. And after the video, you can copy the ingredients right from the description below. And Julie gets started with a 1/4 cup of sugar.
Do you hate when your sugar gets clumped? I hate clumpy sugar.
And after she gets most of those clumps out of there, she places that 1/4 cup into a small mixing bowl, then mixes in a teaspoon of cinnamon. Then we've got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you can mix this all together and put that aside. Julie did mix this, but somehow I missed getting it on video. Now she moves right over to the stove top. She's got this burner set on medium temperature, and now she has 1 cup of salted butter, and she's going to slice this into her pan. And she might want to be a little careful with how she's using that knife, but she promised me she knows what she's doing. But yeah, I still can't endorse doing that. Close my eyes. Is she done yet? Alright, there we go. At this point, she just continues on a medium temperature and slowly melts that butter. And she speeds that process up here certainly by stirring it around with her little rubber spatula and just making sure that gets fully melted before moving on to the next step. Alright, that's looking pretty good right there. Now she's going to keep this on a medium temperature. And she adds in 1 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then she gives this a nice thorough mix to fully mix that into the butter. Once you got that fully mixed, you're going to want to add in your cereal. Typically this is going to be Cheerios. We're using crispy oats from good old Aldi. That's where we generally go. I'm actually kind of wondering if using that Oats cereal, that's one of our favorite cereals in our family, it'd be interesting to try this with Oats cereal. But yeah, typically this is going to be Cheerios or some other private label brand that is a substitute for Cheerios. And that is 4 cups of this. Now you can see she's setting the timer for 5 minutes, and she's going to toast this for 5 minutes, still on a medium temperature. And as she gets this going here, she fully mixes that in just to try to fully coat the cereal, and then she'll come back and mix this every 30 to 45 seconds. And it looks like our 5 minutes is just about up here. We're going to move this over to the island once that beeps off. And as we bring it over to the island, the colors shift a little bit because of the warmer light. I got to reset the camera. There we go. That's looking better on this warmer light. Now we're going to mix in that sugar and cinnamon, which was stirred up. I think she actually just stirred it up right here, and then adding that in, and then mixes that fully in together again, fully coating all of the cereal.
Cute little cinnamon sugar donuts.
I'm not sure if you heard Julie there, but she was just saying that they looked like little cinnamon-covered donuts. Yeah, I can see that. They most certainly smell very good, though. And once that's fully mixed together, she lays out 2 sheets of wax paper, and this is where we're going to let everything cool down. And it's a good idea just to spread this out just so it's on one thin layer so nothing really sticks and clumps together, and it'll cool down a lot quicker that way. And once they're cooled down, you're ready to serve them. We actually use these quite a bit in small snack bags as we're going out and about. A tasty little snack to bring along. And let me tell you what, in our household, these are gone in just a few days. These were quite popular, I must say. Be sure to click that subscribe button to see more videos like this. And speaking of another video, you can see one right up there. And again, check out that description below for all the ingredients that you can copy and paste. And we always love hearing from you in the comments below, so we invite you to share your thoughts there. Until next time, God bless.